This video is created for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Any financial decisions require careful consideration and prior analysis. Hey, my name is Nathan. I've been studying trading for 8 years and today I want to show you the approach I use every day. No theory. For theory's sake, only what actually helps you see structure and make decisions calmly, without unnecessary noise. In this video, you will see how I work with an AI-powered assistant. It helps identify when to act and when to wait, especially useful when you are starting out and don't want to drown in guesswork. If you really want to understand the market step by step, stick around. I'll show you with the real examples, no complex words, just a calm pace. Let's go. Before we move forward, let me pause for a moment. If you are watching this, you're probably interested in more than just listening. You want to dive deeper. In my practice, I use an AI assistant not as a ready-made solution, but as a tool to filter out noise, stay objective, and make fact-based decisions. This is especially helpful when you want to take things slow and build understanding gradually. I share all this inside my community. No pressure, just a practical format. Want to see how it works from the inside? Link in the description or pinned comment. Join us. Now, back to practice. Alright, everything is set and value is configured. My assistant has already chosen the team to work with. Let's check. Perfect. No indicators needed today. Fully ready? Let's begin. We've got our first signal. Move upward. We can see the value approaching the level from above and the lows are gradually rising. This might mean the level is about to break. We're expecting a slight pullback. Alright, let's keep moving. Here the value is moving in a sideways range, and in these cases, it's best to trade from the range boundaries. Right now, it's touching the lower boundary, and the bot suggests going up. No reason to argue. Let's continue, friends. What do you think? Learning something new always raises questions, especially in a field where there is too much information and too little time. That's exactly why I started using an AI assistant. It helps avoid getting lost in details and teaches you to focus on what matters. This tool structures the process. It points out where to look, what might be important, and lets you learn step by step, calmly. Inside my community, you get practical explanations, feedback without unnecessary theory, and support, especially if you're just starting. If you want to try it and see how it works, follow the link in the description or pinned comment. Now, let's keep going. Alright, we're being told to go up again. Okay. The trend has turned bullish. We're seeing some sideways movement now, and as that stabilizes, we're moving up. Let's watch. I had no doubts, and I've already got a new signal from the bot. Moving on. Wow, we're really heading higher and higher today, folks. Great. We're observing strong upward momentum with no signs of reversal, so this one's an easy choice. Watching closely. Alright, onward we go. Let's see. Just as I said, the level was broken and now it's being retested. I expect the move to continue, and my bot agrees. We're not slowing down, friends. We've got a signal to go down. After that long flight upward, it's a logical move. The breakout from the sideways range happened downward, and we expect the decline to continue. Now it's time to secure what we've achieved so far. My assistant signals a potential drop. Alright. First, we saw an upward move, followed by a quick pullback, then another push-up. Now there is a candle with a short body and long wicks, both top and bottom. That kind of pattern often suggests indecision in a current trend. In such cases, a reversal in direction is quite possible. Let's see how this plays out. Alright folks, moments like this really feel like cloud nine. Look back at the last few months. How much information slipped past you simply because there was too much of it and no system to help you navigate. That's exactly why we created this AI tool. Not to replace humans, but to provide support, clarity, structure, and peace of mind. It's a powerful navigator that makes moving forward easier. And by the way, you don't need to be an expert in the community. You can start and progress at your own pace with my support. Link to the community and bot access in the description and pinned comment. Check it out. This could be the start of your new promising path. This is all for today. I'm happy with my work and my assistant's work. Now, I'm off to help my assistants, answer questions and welcome new members, hopefully including you. Thanks for staying till the end. See you.